Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Ninja DualBrew Pro specialty coffee maker, model number CFP307. So I got this off of the Amazon website. It retails for about $240, but it is on sale for $199. It comes with a permanent filter. Okay, so this coffee maker comes with this number 4 permanent filter that fits in there, and you can also do K-Cups with it. So up here, let's take a look. We've got this KCup Pod Adapter. So we can open it up, we can put a K-Cup in here. It's got 3 needles on the top, 1 needle on the bottom. You're gonna put it in, close the lid. We've got this little tray that's gonna flip down. We can put our coffee mug here. We got this drip stop, so make sure the drip stop is open. So when we got the KCup Pod Adapter in there, this little K-Cup symbol is lit up, and we can do 6, 8, 9, 11 ounces. That's when it's on rich, but let's go, we can do over ice, specialty. Let's do a classic brew. Classic, we can do 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces. I like to brew my K-Cups on 8 ounces. I've got water in the reservoir. You're simply just gonna press the start button. Okay, so it starts brewing right away. There is these little status lights it's gonna go over as it gets done. Okay, so it's about halfway done. Let's check the temperature. 195, 196. Okay, so it's finishing up. It's very quick. You end up with about a 171 degree cup of coffee. All right, it's gonna beep at you until you end. That's a very good cup. That's a very good tasting cup of coffee. Let's go up here. Let's see how the K-Cup did. We're gonna open it up. Again, the 3 needles. We got the single needle. The K-Cup did really good. Okay, so let's take this pod adapter out. You're simply gonna move this lever to the remove, then it lifts out. This is the whole adapter for when you just wanna do K-Cups. Now we have to have this filter basket in there all the times, even if we're doing K-Cups. Now, if you wanna do, you can use number 4 paper filters, and you can put a number 4 cone paper filter in here and make a pot of coffee. But this coffee maker comes with the reusable gold tone filter that's made specifically for this from Ninja. It fits in here like this. It's got a nice little handle. Now you can never use both at the same time. It's either or. And you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds per your cup of coffee that you're gonna brew. So if I'm gonna do 12 cups of coffee, I'll put 12 tablespoons of coffee in here. Then you're gonna slide this forward. The brew head that sends the hot water over the coffee grounds is underneath here. You're gonna slide it forward. Now when you have the pod adapter out and this is slid forward, you'll see there's a coffee bean. And now the coffee maker is like a coffee maker, and I can do a full carafe. I can do all these. I can do a really small batch. I can do a classic brew, rich, over ice, specialty brew. Specialty brew is only 4 ounces. So that's when you want to use this built-in milk frother. You're going to do a 4-ounce coffee that's a concentrated coffee. It mimics an espresso shot. You're going to warm up some milk in the microwave, stick it in here. This has got a built-in frother that I absolutely love. Then you can take it out and clean it. It's very simple. I like that it's onboard storage. And so earlier I made a full pot of coffee, and then make sure it's got drip stop. So when it's done brewing the coffee, you can hit the drip stop so it won't be dripping anymore. But when you want to brew, make sure that is open. Here's the carafe. It pours very nice. Now there is a warming plate, and you can turn that warming plate on and off. It's got a keep warm function. Now that is adjustable, and it comes on automatically after you brew your pot of coffee. But let's say that turns off after a certain amount of time. You can come up here and just turn that on. That's a very nice feature, being able to turn that warming plate back on. So let's see how the carafe pours. Yeah, it makes a really good cup of coffee. Then you can just store it right there. Over here on the right-hand side, we do have a water reservoir that is removable. I like that it's removable. You can take it over to the sink and fill it up. It's got like a nice grab handle here, and you can also rinse it out and clean it if you have to. Now, another neat feature about this is you can take this little piece of plastic off. You can move this water reservoir around back, and then this will stow around back. It kind of makes it more of a slimmer coffee maker, but it's a little bit longer. So I do like that there's an onboard scoop storage. It tells you how many scoops to add for cups you're gonna brew. But there's also this neat little switch. You'll see there's a coffee symbol and a water symbol. We have a hot water dispenser that doesn't go through the normal coffee path. That is a really nice feature. And it turns on the hot water function. So when I go to coffee, we can do coffee, the coffee bean's lit. When I go to hot water, we can do hot water. We can do hot or boil. And we can also adjust the quantity that we're gonna do. But up here, this is the nice feature about it. I'm going to show you. The water comes out in a different spot. So you can see right there, that's where the hot water is going to come out. When you brew coffee, it normally comes out this brew head. There's the brew head, which when you slide it, the water comes out right here. But when I do hot water, it bypasses all this, so you're not going to get any coffee taste into your hot water. Okay, so let's just give it a try. Let's do 8 ounces of really hot water, boil. Hit the start button, and it starts brewing the hot water right away. So we can see the hot water coming out. It's not going to have any of that coffee flavor or taste in it. And it's going to be very hot, so be careful. Yeah, it's well over 205. So yeah, it's right to the boiling point. Now I've got this just for demonstration purposes. You can leave the filter basket in and leave this closed. It still works like that. I just got it so you could see it. And again, you get the same status symbols that kind of walk their way across to let you know when it's done. This is just a really nice coffee maker. It makes a very hot cup of coffee and a pot of coffee. Being able to use any standard K-Cup is a very nice feature, and it's got a built-in milk frother, the hot water dispenser, removable water reservoir. It's just a really nice coffee maker. So I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.